Welcome to this explainer. Today, we are talking about something that is probably sitting on your kitchen counter right this second. Yep, the everyday banana. But we're not just going to look at it as a quick, random snack. Nope, we're going to dive into its nutritional mechanics and figure out how to use it to create a seriously strategic, customized daily meal guide. Because when you actually dig into the science, you realize it's a massive, powerful tool for weight management if you know exactly how to use it. Let's get into it.
So how exactly do bananas fit into your daily diet? It's kind of been a huge debate, right? Some people avoid them completely thinking, oh no, way too much sugar, while others absolutely swear by them for energy. But here's the deal. When you look at the actual mechanics, bananas give you incredibly stable energy and a fantastic dose of dietary fiber without all those heavy, unwanted calories, if you deploy them correctly. They aren't just a grab-and-go item. They're a highly functional food. You can perfectly time and portion them to do exactly what your body needs on any given day.
All right, Section 1, your daily diet blueprint. This is all about strategic weight management.
Moving right along to Module 2, the low-calorie diet guide. This path is specifically for maintaining a caloric deficit.
Okay, the absolute magic number here is 105. A standard medium-sized banana comes in right around 105 calories. And look, when you're working to create a daily meal guide focused on weight loss, every single calorie is a precious commodity. You need the maximum return on investment for what you're eating. Think about that really dangerous 3 p.m. window. You know, the one where your energy completely dips and that office vending machine is literally calling your name. Well, deploying a 105-calorie banana acts as the absolute perfect, low-cost nutritional bridge to completely crush that hunger.
And this perfectly illustrates exactly why that 105-calorie investment pays off so well. It is not just about the low-calorie count, folks. It's all about that high fiber content. Dietary fiber actually takes much longer for your body to digest. That means it physically keeps you feeling full for an extended period of time. By strategically leveraging this daily snack, you are literally stopping yourself from overeating later in the day. It stabilizes your appetite. So when dinner time finally rolls around, you're in total control of your portions instead of just eating out of sheer starvation. It's defensive eating at its absolute finest.
Next up, Module 3, the Keto Diet Guide. Let's talk about low-carbohydrate protocols.
Now take a look at this huge contrast between the ripe banana and the slightly green one. If you're on keto, or really any strict low-carb diet, you probably think bananas are completely off limits. No way, right? Well, actually, choosing an underripe banana is a brilliant little secret hack. See, as the fruit ripens, its starches convert directly into simple sugars. But by catching that banana early, it naturally has a much lower sugar content. And it gets even better. It possesses way higher levels of something called resistant starch. This resistant starch functions a whole lot like fiber in your digestive system. It literally resists digestion in your small intestine, which means it doesn't spike your blood sugar the same way a ripe one would. So for my low-carb dieters out there, a carefully portioned green banana can absolutely fit into your daily meal guide while perfectly supporting your metabolic goals.
All right, moving to Module 4, the muscle building guide designed specifically for high-protein diets.
So let's break down exactly how this fits into a pre- or post-workout timeline, because timing is everything here. Step 1, you eat the banana shortly before or after your exercise session. Step 2 is your actual workout where you're out there depleting your body's glycogen stores. And then Step 3 is where the real magic happens. The fast, natural carbohydrate absorption from the banana immediately goes to work restoring that depleted muscle energy. I mean, your muscles are practically screaming for glycogen after a heavy lift, right? Well, these natural carbs act like a rapid delivery system to jumpstart your recovery process. It is a highly efficient, perfectly timed biological reaction.
Bringing it all together, just look at how this maps out. We are talking about the exact same fruit taking on completely different roles, depending on the path you choose to create your daily meal guide. If you're going to low-calorie route, it's a medium-sized hunger curb. If you're leaning keto, it's a limited-portion green powerhouse of resistant starch. And if you're on the muscle-building path, it's a perfectly timed, rapid recovery tool placed right around your workout. You see? You don't have to guess anymore. The blueprint to create a targeted, highly effective daily meal guide is literally right here in front of you.
And that brings us to the ultimate question for you. Which banana blueprint are you going to use today? Because let's be real, knowledge is only power if you actually apply it. I want you to think about your own personal dietary goals right now. Take the specific insights we've covered in this explainer and immediately build them into your routine. You've got the strategy, you've got the science, and you have the blueprint. Now, it is time to put it to work. So what's your first move?